Golovkin is afraid of Canelo. We're moving on. Those are the words of Oscar de la Hoya. Negotiations, it seems, have hit a stumbling block and they can't seem to come to an agreement. Tom Loeffler has basically admitted here that he was looking for a better deal for Gennady Golovkin in this rematch after the initial date of this rematch was cancelled because of Canelo failing the PED tests. So, you know, I can quote Tom Loeffler here. He says, Triple G is not afraid to fight anybody in the middleweight division. He made a lot of financial sacrifices for the first fight and the rematch, and since the rematch was cancelled, he wants a more equitable percentage. So that's his position on it. And obviously, De La Hoya and Canelo are not willing to budge. They're not willing to give Triple G a more equitable percentage. And you can argue they should or they shouldn't or whatever the case may be. The fact is they're not going to. So if Triple G doesn't accept what was initially agreed for the rematch, then this fight probably ain't going to happen. I don't think they've completely walked away from the table. There's still an opportunity there for the fight to happen, but I think the ball, it seems, is in Triple G's court because Canelo can make big money fighting other people, whereas Triple G, he's not the kind of star Canelo is. Whether people like it or don't like it, that's the fact. So it's Triple G who has to have a long, hard think about what direction he's going to go in. And if he doesn't fight Canelo, he's got some very, very tough mandatories to take care of. Tough mandatories which do not come with the bumper payday that Canelo comes with. So, you know, Triple G is going to have to ask himself some pretty tough questions in the coming days because Canelo is threatening to move on. De La Hoya is saying, you know, they've spoken to, as you see here, De La Hoya says, I'm going to start making phone calls to Jacobs people, to Saunders people, to Charlo, Spike O'Sullivan, etc., etc., etc. Some people are going to jump on the fact that he talked about Spike O'Sullivan. Canelo versus O'Sullivan, a lot of people are not going to like that. But hey, Triple G was trying to fight O'Sullivan too. You know? But because Canelo don't have a belt, there's no mandatories. So he can go ahead and fight O'Sullivan, no problem at all. Would Canelo fight a Billy Joe? Would he fight a Danny Jacobs? Would he fight a Charlo? Or would he go for O'Sullivan first? You guys let me know what you think. I know Canelo Alvarez fought plenty of A-plus opposition at junior middleweight, but at middleweight, it's even tougher. The guys are bigger, they're stronger. So we'll see what he does. Let me know how you feel about this situation in the comment section below, people. It's happening, I'm out.